All automatic?
Automatic.
Well, you don't need people? You don't need the labor?
All need labor.
All automatic.
Yeah.
So you just take the plastic.
Here.
Yeah.
This need people.
Oh, that needs people, but no people over there?
Yeah.
Vinyl?
Here.
Those are molds. Those are the molds. Ni hao. Ni hao. Oh, yeah. Handles. Plastic handles. Water bottles.
Yeah, bottle.
Water bottles.
Made by Yin Yong Tang.
Ni hao. All right, we got one ni hao. Ni hao. Two ni haos. Three ni haos. Ni hao. Making it happen. Double videotape, right?
Yeah.
How long have we known each other, Adam? How long have we known each other?
5 years.
5 years, huh? Finally meet.
I waited you about 5 years.
Yes, about 5 years. You've been waiting on me to buy chainsaws from you for 5 years.
This automatically.
All automatic.
Yeah.
All automatic.
Yeah.
You don't even need people.
Don't need people.
Just tell the people go home, we don't need you.
Yeah.
We don't need you working here anymore, we got a machine.
Yeah.
Why do we need you if we got a machine?
I sell.
Yeah, you
I'm
sell.
A seller.
You sell. Why do we need it? Hey, is this your fuel tanks? Is this half of your fuel tank? And then you seal them up? You got some pretty good fuel tanks. I held it the other day. Pretty good. Pretty nice. This is where it all starts. Right here in the Make It Happen factory.
Raw material. Here.
Raw material. Now I'll get some skin cells built into your chainsaws. I'll get a little bit of Steve built into your chainsaws. Little skin cells. Nice stuff. Gets sucked right up in there, and it makes it happen. Ni hao. Ni hao. A little more shiny on those. Oh, look at here. Real shiny on that. Nothing wrong with shiny. You got a little bit of everything. All sorts of shapes, colors, and sizes. Oh my goodness. All those machines are cranking all that out and they're separating them all out, huh? Ni hao.
Yeah. Well,
Good gracious. Good God. And people think these aren't professional saws. They don't know what they're talking about. They are totally professional saws. This place makes a lot of chainsaws. Oh yeah, right there. Right there.
你们那个试水压的地方在哪里？试水压的，就这个是吧？哎，你在哪试的？就在这里试的。Water.
Oh yeah. The seam, I'm testing it.
Confirm. No leak.
No leak.
Yeah.
No leak.
Otherwise, if there is a leak, a hole,
Yeah.
the fuel will come out.
Yeah, that's one of those 25cc saws, right?
Yeah. You're so clever.
Oh, I'm not clever. I just know what I'm doing.
Yeah.
I'm not clever at all. I need
Yeah.
some of your cleverness.
Yeah.
You got more cleverness than me.
After I meet you, I'll be more clever.
You've become more clever after you met me?
Yeah.
So some of my cleverness has rubbed off on you?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, Adam. All right. All right, interpreter, follow me. Damn. One color for everybody. If you don't like one color, you can have another color. Holy shit. Holy shit, Yongqi. There she is again. Yep. Happy people. Holy shit.
It's testing.
Testing? Oh, in there? Oh, let's go look at some testing. Let's not be afraid to watch some testing. Let's see what's going on in here.
For the life, the machine life, how long to use, to check everything.
Ah, okay.
Here for very low temperature.
Oh yeah.
Low temperature.
Yeah.
Yeah. Check. Very expensive.
Yeah. Oh, hey, hold on, Adam. That's a pretty blue. What do you think, Adam? You like that blue?
Blue?
It's kind of
This
pretty.
is a new design.
Kind of pretty.
Can use about 600 hours.
600 hours?
Yeah. Almost the same as steel.
600 hours.
Our new design this year.
This year?
Yeah. Now we only sell in China. Maybe you can sell in USA.
I'm sure I could.
Defeated steel.
Oh, yeah? Sounds good.
Guess how much this one?
I don't know. How much?
2 million
2 million?
RMB.
2 million RMB?
Yeah. Very.
Divided by 7 for dollars.
Yongkang manufacturing do this one.
They don't have that?
Yeah.
Many factories don't have that in Yongkong?
Very, very.
You guys got a lot. Got a lot going on here. A lot going on here. Nice door.
Yeah, this is door.
Yeah, nice door.
Made in Yongkang.
Made in Yongkong, huh? At the door factory. At the door factory.
Here is the inspection for incoming material.
Ah, okay.
Check.
It says it right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, in Chinese, right there. It says incoming inspection. I could read the Chinese.
You know?
It says right there, incoming inspection.
检验室.
That's right. You said it.
Read?
You said it best. You said it better than me. Like, subscribe, share, thumbs up. That's Adam. Thanks, Adam, for your tour. Take care, buddy. Tell him goodbye.
You
Tell him goodbye.
need to check.
Tell him goodbye.
Goodbye.
Yeah, say goodbye.
Bye bye.